Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel, and today we are going to make this amazing mango fruit cake. First take any type of mango you like and then chop them into square pieces. And then take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of curd, 1/4 cup of oil, half cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Mix them well until the sugar dissolves. After mixing it well, it should look something like that. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup of maida. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder plus 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add 1 pinch of salt and sieve them. Mix them well with folding methods and make a batter with no lumps. Now add 2 to 3 drops of yellow color and mix them well. After mixing them well, add the chopped mango. Now just give it a mix. Take a greased mold. You can take any mold you want. And put the butter paper on top of the grease and then again grease it. Now pour the batter in the greased mold. Now add tutti-frutti for garnishing and chopped mangoes if you want. Now bake it for preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius in 30 to 35 minutes. After 40 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the batter. If the pick comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. And after waiting for it to cool down, demold the cake and cut it into pieces. You can see how spongy it is looking. After cutting them, you can see that it is very spongy and the inside has some chopped mangoes in it. This recipe is very spongy and yummy. You guys need to try this. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.